Someone once said that creativity can't be used up. The more you are creative, the more you have it. So let us start today with this creative quote, and I welcome you to Funwax Art and Craft, where we are going to make paper wallets. So let's begin by taking a paper wallet. Now it has two pockets where I have put money, and the other pocket you can put your cards, or you can even put something like what I have shared here. I want you all to subscribe my channel first. So let's begin. Take a A4 size sheet, fold it into half, fold the two halves on the opposite sides, one on this side and one on the other side. It should look like this. And now the single side we are going to fold it into half again. Open it from the center and fold the corners a little towards the inside as shown. Fold the other corner also. And check whether these two pockets have been made. Now we are going to apply glue here. Carefully press it on all sides and let it stick together, and your wallet is almost ready. It has this big pocket and the small pocket, and on the other side it's sticked properly. Now fold it into half. Your wallet is ready. Just a face is left to be made, and we are going to make it a cute wallet. I have a black pen here. I'm going to draw out a circle. For drawing a circle, you can use compass or a coin or any round thing that you have close to you. And on this side, I'll draw a winked eye. And a mouth. Now I'm going to draw two small circles inside the eye. Now the dark area which I'm showing, I'm going to color it with the sketch pen. Taking a bold sketch pen, make the eye as a black one. Once it's done, we will darken the winked eye and then the mouth. And the upper portion of the mouth we are going to color it black, and the rest we will color red later on. And those two eyeballs that we have shown, we are going to color them white using a white pen. You can even use a white sheet of paper, small two circles, and you can paste them on the eye. Now using a red pen, draw the cheeks and the mouth also. Now this kawaii little doll is completely ready. We just need to draw the sewing lines on the side of the wallet. Using a black sketch pen, we are going to do that also. Small lines spaced at equal distances is going to give it a real look of stitched one. So now it's ready. I'm going to put my money inside it. I'll give it to my papa. He'll put his money inside it. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, and stay tuned for more such videos. And please comment in the comment section and tell me how did you make it, with which color did you make it. Thank you.